Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making oat fufu and I have here 2 cups of oats flour or oats powder. I have a video of how to do that in my channel, or you can also buy from the market already made oat flour. In my pot here I've added 2 cups of water, and once it boils I'll add the oat powder into it and stir. After stirring or mixing for about 2 minutes, I'll then add little more water. I added here about 1/3 cup of water and allow it to cook. You cook this for about 5 to 10 minutes depending on the quantity of the fufu you are making or the flour you are mixing. If you want it very soft, you can add up to half cup of water. After about 5 minutes, I'll then open my pot and mix the fufu very well until it becomes very smooth. And here we have our soft, smooth, no lump oatmeal fufu. You can enjoy this with any soup of your choice. Just serve and enjoy. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.